In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can use Elevenlabs dubbing. So let's get started. So if you'd want to use Elevenlabs, make sure to use the link in our description if you'd like to try out the free trial. And that way you'd also be able to get exclusive deals when you use Elevenlabs, especially when you are choosing your subscription. So if you use the link below, you'd get a free trial. So now we can now try out dubbing in here. So here's how you can use it. So in here, you can localize content across 29 languages with AI dubbing. So basically what this does is that it would create an AI audio of your video in a translated language. So if you're speaking English in your video, you can translate it into a Japanese audio by the use of Elevenlabs dubbing. So in here, you can click here on create new dub. And from here, you can input the project name. So let's say sample dub and go for the source language. Let's say English. And then the target languages in here, let's make it Spanish right here. And then once you have selected Spanish, you can now go here into the audio or video source. So you can upload an audio or video depending on your preference. So now I'm gonna upload my video in here or audio, and take note that the media must be at least 15 seconds long. I'm gonna click here and it would now open up my storage in here. I just need to select the correct file for my sample, which is this one. And now it's now uploaded, as you can see. Now in here, you can now see the number of speakers. So you can let AI detect if you don't have an idea on how many number of speakers there are. In my case, I know, so it's already only one. And from here, you could go for the time range to dub. So if you have a specific time range here in the file that you have uploaded, then you can indicate here, or you could also disable voice cloning. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on create dub. All you have to do now is to wait for it to finish in processing. So it's currently in progress. All right, it's now done, as you can see here. But before that, let's just first view the original language or the sample video that I have uploaded in here so that we could know the difference. Hi, this is my sample audio for Elevenlabs dubbing tutorial. So I hope you like this video, and make sure to use the affiliate link down below if you would like to use Elevenlabs so that you could get our free trial. So that's the original one. Now let's view the dubbed version. And now let's play. Hola, este es mi audio de muestra para el tutorial de doblaje de Elevenlabs. Espero que te guste este video y asegúrate de usar el enlace de afiliado abajo si te gustaría usar Elevenlabs para que puedas obtener nuestra prueba gratuita. So that's it. As you have heard, it's simply amazing. It has transformed my English voice into a Spanish dubbed voice. So that's it for this video on how you could use Elevenlabs dubbing. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.